मैं आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट अमित चक्रवर्ती यूट्यूब के अगले वीडियो में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। टुडे आई विल टेल यू रिगार्डिंग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट 365 फंडामेंटल्स। In this video we learn list the component of Microsoft 365, understand the value provided by the Microsoft 365 solutions and name the subscription options. Microsoft 365 empowers users with team like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Windows. Microsoft 365 empower organization with the following capabilities. First of all is productivity and teamwork. In productivity and teamwork, we have instant messaging option, online meeting with Microsoft Teams, email and calendaring with Outlook feature, Office applications, advanced file storage feature, sharing with OneDrive for business, intranet and team sites, and social networking site with use of Yammer. Next one is business management. IT management with Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Business management is integrated with IT management with Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Business management will follow business process automation extensively with team and Power Platform. Business management, business voice and phone system with Teams. It forms and workflow management. Business management is work with business intelligence with workplace analytics, and business management work management with project online. Next one is security and compliance. Security and compliance solution for identity and access management. Security and compliance information protected and governance. It is also threat protection. It has security management. It has insider risk management and compliance management and e-discovery in this module. Some Microsoft 365 component like Office and Windows are available using software as a services, is also known as SaaS model. SaaS is a software that's centrally hosted and managed by a cloud service provider, that is CSP. For customers in general, CSPs provide one version of an application for all customers and license it through a monthly or annual subscription. Now we are going to explore the productivity benefit of Microsoft 365. It has defined as personal productivity, its capability through AI power tools, engaging presentation to animated 3D models, create high quality content, inspiration strikes. It contain using voice, touch and pen on any of the device. Its main features enable teamwork and simplify workflow. It stay productive on the go and get more done with AI enabled tools. Next one is organization productivity. It drive top line growth. It cost cutting and better serve, unlock the potentials. It drive process automation. It capture the collective knowledge. It avoid potential security and compliance or privacy risk. Its main thoughts is harness organization knowledge, manage all your endpoints and protect your business capabilities. Next one is explore the Microsoft 365 subscription option. Microsoft offers a variety of subscriptions and plan to accommodate your organization need. Microsoft 365 Enterprise. Microsoft 365 Enterprise are available in three plans, that is E3, E5 and F3. E5 is include all same features as E3 plus the latest advanced threat protection, security and collaboration tool, where F3 is formerly F1 is designed for first line worker through purpose built tool and available resources. Microsoft 365 for business. It designed for small and medium organizations. Microsoft 365 Enterprise offer the full set of Office 365, its productivity of tools, security, and it has device management. Microsoft 365 Business designed for organizations that need up to 300 people license. Microsoft 365 Education. It is available for educational organization. It's unlock creativity. It promote teamwork. It affordable solution built for the education. It has productivity and security solution for faculty, staff and the students. Last but not the least, Microsoft Home. Microsoft 365 Home. Microsoft 365 Home comes in two plans, Microsoft 365 Family and Microsoft 365 Personal. At the end, hope you understand about Microsoft 365 fundamentals. In next video, I will tell more features of Microsoft 365 or Office 365 features. Thank you.